if you've started going to church, but honestly, you still don't know what you're supposed to believe. That's okay. Not knowing is completely normal. Today, I just want you to walk away with one thing, the very starting point of Christian faith. Hi, I'm Joseph Park from the Meet and Walk with Jesus YouTube channel. For those of you who are new to church, I've put together a series of 6 to 7 videos around one simple question. What do Christians actually believe? This is episode 1, and the first belief, the foundation that everything else is built on, is this: God is the one and only creator of this world. Now, when it comes to where the universe came from, there's no shortage of answers. Scientists tell us the universe began about 13.8 billion years ago with what we call the Big Bang. Other religions point to their own gods or forces as the source of all things. So what does Christianity say? What does the Bible say? The Bible doesn't make you wait long for the answer. The very first sentence, Genesis chapter 1, verse 1, says this: "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth." That's it. No long introduction, no build-up, just a clear, direct statement. And then throughout Genesis chapters 1 and 2, the Bible goes into detail. How God created the world, step by step, and how he specifically formed human beings. Now you might be wondering, okay, but who is this God? Where did he come from? The Bible answers that too. In Exodus chapter 3, verse 14, God speaks to a man named Moses, and he says this: "I am who I am." What does that mean? It means God was not made by anyone. He was not created by some higher power. He simply is. He exists on his own, outside of time, outside of space. And in Deuteronomy chapter 6, verse 4, Moses declares to the people of Israel, "Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one." One God, not many. He is at the very top of everything. He is the beginning of everything. There is nothing before him and no one above him. Now here's where this gets personal. If God is the creator, if he made this universe and everything in it, then he also made you. And that changes everything. Think about it this way. If you're just a random result of chance and time, then your life has no built-in meaning. You have to make up your own purpose and hope it's enough. But if you were created, if someone intentionally made you, then you have a purpose. There is a reason you are here. The Bible says God created human beings to know him, to be in relationship with him, to reflect who he is in the world. You are not an accident. You are not a mistake. You were made on purpose by someone who knows you completely. So let's come back to where we started. God is the one and only creator of this world. He exists on his own. No one made him. He is the one true God. There is no other. And he created you with intention and purpose. This is where Christian faith begins. You don't have to have everything figured out today, but if you can hold on to just this one idea that you were made by someone who loves you, that's a powerful place to start. In the next video, we'll talk more about who this God is, what he's like, and how he relates to us. I'll see you there.